Morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Monday morning. Let's go and get this lot off, tatted in, stripped. Let's get some cash for it. Okay, let's go. Catch up with you later. Okay, we're arrived at the scrapyard. I wonder if we're in a big queue today or we're straight in. Let's have a look. I think we're in a queue. look what we've got. Let's get this busy scrapyard because it's very, 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 very busy. Jesus. Ain't anybody meant to do anything? Out! Well, what we got? I'll tell you what we got. I don't have as much on there as I thought. But yeah, I'll fill you in when I get back. We're on the way back home now. Upload the video. See you in a bit, guys. Let's get home. Okay guys, and I'm back with my receipt. Here's what we got. We got total weight 1 ton 150. Total money £195.50. I weighed that in as a mixed load and they give me £170 per ton. So yeah, there we go. That's this week's tally. Thank you very much for watching, and if you've liked my channel, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. It's a help out massive. Catch you next week. Next week's the big weigh-in, so watch out for that one. Thank you very much.